Hey everyone, welcome back to Grow as a Civil Engineer. Today, I'm breaking down the real-life stages of building construction, step by step so you'll know exactly what happens on site and why it matters. Whether you're just starting out or want to sharpen your skills, this is for you. Let's start at the very beginning, site clearing and marking. First, I remove all debris, level the ground, and use center lines, pegs, and lime powder to outline exactly where the building goes. I double-check every measurement with the approved plan and use a theodolite or auto level for that extra accuracy. Trust me, this is one step you don't want to rush. Next up, excavation and PCC. I dig trenches for the footings as per the drawing's depth. If required, I get a soil-bearing test done. After excavation, I pour plain cement concrete, PCCC, so we have a strong flat base. Here's my checklist: right depth, no loose soil, and proper compaction. Now, onto footing and foundation. Reinforcement goes in exactly as shown in the structural drawings, and cover blocks are a must to protect the steel. Concrete gets poured with a vibrator to shake out air bubbles and make it solid. I always record foundation levels using a leveling instrument. Once that's done, it's time for column casting up to plinth. I fix the shuttering vertically, pour the concrete in stages, and use a needle vibrator for compaction. After 24 hours, I remove the formwork and start curing. Stage 5. Plinth beam and backfilling. I cast the plinth beam across the columns, then backfill with good soil. Compaction happens in layers, and I finish each layer with water compaction. Now for the superstructure: columns, beams, and slab. Columns go first, then beams and slab. I follow the bar bending schedule and use proper staging and shuttering for the slab. Curing must go on for 7 to 14 days. Never skip it. After the frame is up, brickwork and internal walls come next. I soak the bricks, maintain straight joints, and check plumb and alignment every few courses. Lintels go above doors and windows for support. Stage 8, plastering. I apply a rough coat, then a smooth finish coat, keeping thickness between 12 and 15 millimeters. I use an aluminum screed or plumb bob for an even surface. Then, waterproofing. Toilets, kitchens, terraces, and basements all get waterproofing using membranes, cement-based, or PU coatings. Don't take shortcuts here, or you'll face leaks later. Finally, finishing. Doors, windows, tiles, paint. I fix all frames, lay tiles on a perfectly leveled bed, and finish with primer, putty, and paint. A laser level helps get every tile just right. Here's my final checklist: alignment and plumb, proper curing, material quality, and tight finishing tolerances. And that's how a building goes from mud to masterpiece. As a civil engineer, understanding each stage makes you more confident and capable on any site. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next chapter: estimation and billing. Let's grow as civil engineers together.